Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility. You must be an Indian resident with PAN and Aadhaar linked to the same mobile number. Once done, open the updated Amazon app or website and go to Account Amazon Pay Later. Tap to apply and follow prompts to enter PAN and Aadhaar details. This verifies your identity quickly. Make sure your device camera can capture documents if asked. Submit any OTPs sent to your mobile immediately, so the application moves to verification without delays. After submission, you'll complete eKYC. Enter OTPs and allow camera access to capture a selfie or documents if required. This step confirms your identity. Once Amazon or the partner lender evaluates your profile, you'll see a provisional credit limit and tenor options. Review these to match your cash flow. If a nominal charge or microdeposit is requested for bank verification, authorize it from your primary account. Keep notifications enabled so you get updates and approval or additional information requests immediately. Once approved, activate Amazon Pay Later in your payment settings and select it at checkout. Choose single payment or EMI, confirm interest rates, processing fees, and the exact due date before confirming the order. Make sure auto-pay settings are set if you want automated repayment. If something goes wrong, like declined activation or mismatched limits, first recheck KYC and document status, then retry verification steps. If problems persist, contact Amazon Pay support with your application ID and screenshots so they can resolve verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.